Your roof plays a critical role in protecting your home, but like any part of your property, it can develop issues over time. For homeowners in Madison Heights, understanding common roofing problems and how to address them can help prevent costly damage and extend the life of your roof. Being proactive is key to maintaining a safe and comfortable home. One of the most common roofing issues is leaks. Roof leaks can develop for many reasons, including damaged shingles, worn flashing, or clogged gutters. You might notice water stains on ceilings or walls, which are often the first signs of a problem. The best way to fix a leak is to identify the source quickly and repair it before it spreads. Replacing damaged shingles, ceiling flashing, and keeping gutters clear can help prevent future leaks. Another frequent issue is missing or damaged shingles. Strong winds, heavy rain, and general wear and tear can cause shingles to crack, curl, or fall off entirely. When this happens, your roof becomes vulnerable to moisture and further damage. Replacing damaged shingles promptly is essential to maintaining your roof's integrity. Regular inspections, especially after storms, can help catch this issue early. Clogged gutters are another problem that often goes unnoticed. When leaves, debris, and dirt build up in your gutters, water can't drain properly. This can cause water to back up onto your roof, leading to leaks and even structural damage over time. Cleaning your gutters regularly and ensuring proper drainage is a simple yet effective way to protect your roof. Poor ventilation is another issue that can affect your roof's performance. Without proper airflow, heat and moisture can build up in your attic, which may lead to mold growth, higher energy bills, and premature roof deterioration. Improving ventilation, through vents or proper insulation, helps regulate temperature and keeps your roofing system in better condition. Flashing damage is another common concern. Flashing is the material used around roof edges, chimneys, and vents to prevent water from entering. Over time, flashing can crack, loosen, or corrode, creating entry points for water. Repairing or replacing damaged flashing is crucial for preventing leaks and maintaining a watertight seal. Sagging areas on your roof are a more serious issue that should never be ignored. Sagging often indicates structural problems caused by prolonged moisture exposure or weakened support. If you notice any dips or uneven areas, it's important to contact a professional immediately. Addressing structural issues early can prevent more extensive damage and ensure your home remains safe. Moss and algae growth can also affect roofs in certain conditions. While they may seem like minor cosmetic issues, they can trap moisture and lead to deterioration over time. Cleaning your roof with appropriate methods and ensuring proper drainage can help prevent this buildup and extend the life of your roofing materials. Another issue homeowners face is aging roofing materials. Every roof has a lifespan, and as it ages, it becomes more susceptible to damage. If your roof is nearing the end of its expected life, you may notice frequent repairs, worn shingles, or decreased performance. In these cases, considering a roof replacement may be the most cost-effective solution in the long run. Storm damage is also a common concern in Madison Heights. High winds, heavy rain, and debris can cause immediate and sometimes hidden damage to your roof. After a storm, it's important to inspect your roof for any signs of trouble or schedule a professional inspection to ensure everything is in good condition. The best way to handle these issues is through regular maintenance and timely repairs. Scheduling routine inspections allows you to catch small problems before they become major ones. Working with experienced roofing professionals ensures that repairs are done correctly and safely. In the end, understanding common roofing issues and how to fix them helps you stay ahead of potential problems. For homeowners in Madison Heights, taking a proactive approach to roof care means protecting your investment, maintaining comfort, and ensuring your home remains secure for years to come.